Hi guys, welcome to this session in Microsoft Word. In this module, I want to show you how you can use track changes. So I've got a document on the screen and I'm going up to the Review tab to have a look where tracking sits. So here's tracking and next to that is markup. So to put tracking on, if you click this, it will be the default of everyone, but you can actually drop this little arrow down and that's the default for everyone, or just me. You've also got the option there, if this was a shared document, you could just do just me and then lock it so nobody else can edit it. But I'm going to put that on just me. So now track changes is on. If I highlight something and let's say I delete that, now it comes up in a balloon on the right, and that's all to do with what's set up in here. So show markup, if I drop that arrow down, you've got balloon, that's where it's on. If I do that one, it shows you in there. That's how it used to look a long time ago. So go back in there, show that option for only formatting options. So if I do bold on that one, that's going to come out. Don't really like that one. Go back into it, pick the top option. The top option is showing everything in the balloon. They've also got this reviewing pane. If I click on that, you can have it vertical or horizontal. If I put it on vertical, it's going to come down this left hand side, as you can see there. So the way this goes, if you start deleting things and making things underline or bold, etc., all these changes that you're making are being picked up as I go through this document. And you might insert something as well that will also get picked up. Now you can see how that's changing color because I'm actually typing something new there. And each person, if this is only set for me, but if anybody else was sharing this file, anything they did would be a different color to what I'm typing. So you can see it listing in this side here, 9 changes there. And then basically what's supposed to happen is you go to the top of the document and you either accept the change and then it's getting rid of it, or you reject it, accept, 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 accept. So you have to do that, otherwise the track changes will already be on, and then I can knock that off. So now track changes not on. This is a complete document. Now if you want to go back and have a look at versions, if you go to File and then Info, you've got version history here. If I click on that, it will give me any different versions of this file, and then if I click OK to that, you can maybe click on a different version and see whether you want that or not. If I click on that one and then maybe restore that, and then that's back to square one or wherever that version is. So that's version control. Every time you make a change, that's what's going to happen. If you're using Word Online, in the actual document libraries and SharePoint, you've got version control and version history on the document as well. So that's just a very short video on tracking, track changes, the things that you can select from this 2 options really. Tracking, that's the tracking features, and the markup, what you have displayed when you do make a change. So hopefully that video was of use. Thank you for your time, and I'll catch you on the next one.